How to enable HVCI for Valorant. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing you're going to have to check is check something. So go ahead and open your run dialog box and simply search for msinfo. Hit enter, msinfo.msc. Hit enter. Now it will open your system configuration. So go ahead and open that up. If that didn't work, then you can just go ahead and type in msinfo32 and hit enter. This will definitely open the system information. Here, you're going to have to scroll down and make sure that your hypervisualization is running and it's on. So just go ahead and make sure this one is turned on. This one is running, so double click on it or right click on it to check if this is running or not. Now, if this is running or if it's enabled, then yeah, the problem will be fixed. But if it's not running for you, then what you're going to have to do is open up your settings. And on the search bar, you're simply going to have to search for system security or just search for security in general, Windows security, hit enter. From here, this pop-up will appear on your screen. And on this window, you're going to have to find something called core isolation. So simply go ahead and search for core isolation. If you don't see it here, go to virus and threat protection, go scroll down and then go to manage settings. Make sure the real-time protections are turned on. Here under account protection, you'll find your stuff for your firewall and network protection as well. On device security, you'll have the core isolation. Now go to core isolation details and make sure the memory integrity is turned off. So if this is off, make sure to turn it on. And if this is turned on, make sure to turn it off. After that, you can check the system info and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.